I told Ted about that pipe. He said he'll make it right. I told him it's going to be a pain in the ass. I said I think they screwed up when they put it in originally. They didn't. It sunk. They didn't build it up right. I don't know how you do it, keep it from sinking.
I think they had that jet station that they put in a long time ago. And when they came out of this building trying to beat down to it, they just screwed it up and down through it.
I'm trying to remember. I have all that videos. I just haven't looked at it yet.
Whoever came down here putting this in for the future, they just screwed that up when they came into that inlet.
That was Ted's guy. It was Mike. You know, it was Supervisor Mike. So Joe started the job, and halfway through they pulled him out and put Mike in there. Mike was a younger guy.
Yeah. Well, I mean, surely they used like a slope laser or something putting that in. They probably just didn't have it dialed in right. Whatever it is, it was off by a foot.
Hello, this is Don. He sent it to me, and must have went to my old phone, so I have to go into my desk and get it. But I'll get it to you tonight before I go home. I'm out by the construction site right now. Okay, it's okay there right now. They don't have to move it for their. They're doing asphalt work tomorrow. I thought I had to move it today, but I don't have to. The guy said he's okay. He's not going to go over onto that gravel. Okay, but I'll send you his name. Dave sent it to me, but I must have went to my old phone. All right, Dave. Bye-bye. Hey, did you get those flowers I sent down the other day? Hello, it's Dawn. That's okay. Did you get those? I set some flowers in there. They were some tulips. You can make it look pretty if you want them. Yeah, I put them in the shop. Okay. You gonna be able to make it to the car show on Sunday? Okay. Oh, all righty. Okay, bye-bye.